Hello guys, did you know that you can add effect and even hide your message when sending them from your iPhone? Let me tell you how to do it. Let's go. First thing you have to do is unlock your phone, open your message. Pick a contact to send a message to. Let's write our message in the writing section. Press and hold the arrow sign, which is the send button. You will be presented with a list of options where you can write a message with 4 different options. Send with slam option, send with loud option, send with gentle option, and then send with invisible ink option. We activate them by clicking the dots next to them. I think invisible ink option is the most useful one if you do not want anyone to see your message. I hope you like my video. To show your support, please feel free to hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.